Okay, we've come to a very important section, which is candlestick price bars. We understood that the open, high, low, close price bar was kind of the foundation, but the candlestick bar is an alternative to that and a much, much better alternative to it, and really what people mostly always use. And there's a lot of things you can do with candlestick price bars, and that's what we're going to learn about in this section. And they're a better alternative, and they've been around actually a long time, since like the 18th century. They're called Japanese candlesticks because they kind of originated, or did originate, in Japan, where traders were applying it to the rice market back in the 18th century. So this is not some new voodoo or anything like that. These are really well-established things that you can use by understanding the pricing, but also how these different price bars interact together, and looking for some candlestick patterns that we're going to learn about as well to show us some trading opportunities for sure. So if we think about it, the open, high, low, close will tell us a lot about what's going on with the price in a day, but candlesticks will tell us this and much, much more. And in general, if we think about what are some of the benefits of candlestick bars, and you'll see as we look at some examples, they're going to be more visual. They're going to tell you a lot more just by instantly looking at it. As you learn it, you're going to see that they're going to be simple to use and interpret. Maybe not at first, but it won't take very long for you. You can look at a candlestick and say, I know exactly what's going on just by glancing at it for a second as you get used to them. So they're simple to use and interpret. Patterns have some descriptive names, which are kind of fun, easier to remember, like a gravestone doji, So we'll learn about those and how to represent these patterns that are, really good patterns for us to trade around. And the patterns are widely known, so you can expect other traders to respond in specific ways to specific patterns, which is a good thing. If everybody sees something like, let's say, a gravestone doji, which again we'll learn about, and then people are going to react in a certain way, well, that helps us as traders to see which way the market sentiment is, which way things might be going, and we can trade on that too. So things where patterns and things work together with a large group of people is a good thing. And you can use it on any chart, candlesticks that is, and you can use it with other indicators, which is really powerful too. So you can use the candlestick, and you can use other indicators like a moving average or other things that we'll learn in the course, and you kind of use them to kind of work together to give you more strength around your decision-making process. So candlesticks really help that way. And they can have dramatic shapes or patterns to them that really grab your attention, and it might help you to react faster than like a standard price bar where you're seeing these lines and things, you're trying to match up the tick marks. Candlesticks can tell you stuff visually very, very quickly, and they can have these dramatic shapes to them, like real high and lows, or very narrow bodies to them, different things that we're going to see. And so it can help you to recognize certain turning points, such as an uptrend or a downtrend, by just looking at these candlesticks. So very, very, very important, these candlestick bars. And let's dive into that here in the upcoming lessons so we can learn more about them and how to apply them.